far we have talked about all the positive or good things about St. Stephen's. So now I'm going to talk about two negative things which I find they should be referred to here, which I find are very important and they should be paid attention to. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in this video, I'm going to provide you quite honest review of the most desired college of Delhi University, that is St. Stephen's College. So before I start this video, let me tell you that before this also I have uploaded two videos related to St. Stephen's. One is about the tips and expected questions for 2020 of the interview of St. Stephen's, and the other is on the mock interview of St. Stephen's. So both the videos are very useful for you guys. If you haven't checked them yet, after this video you have to check them also. So now let's start. So first of all, we should know something about St. Stephen's. Means if you are aspiring to get admission in St. Stephen's, if your name has come in the first cut-off, or if you are expecting that it may come in the further cut-offs, then you should be mentally prepared for certain things. Means you should know something about the college which you are going to join, and I think you should do this much homework. Means sometimes it happens that you are quite new to this college life. If you have filled forms for undergraduate courses, you have just come out of your school, and if you go to a college and then certain things are there which you feel that they are quite unexpected, so it may be very shocking for you. If you will know certain things about your college or about St. Stephen's College, then things will get easier for you, right? So I'm going to tell you everything related to the infrastructure, related to the faculty and academics, related to fee structure, related to campus, related to placements, everything. A complete guide will be provided to you. So watch the video till last, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe to it, because I am bringing new videos related to colleges and universities on daily basis, and I am providing complete guidance to the students. Those whosoever are asking me questions in the comment box, I am trying to answer all your questions. So for that, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. First of all, I think you should know certain basic things about your college or about this College of St. Stephen's. So let me tell you that this is a minority institute. Here 50% reservation is there for Christian students, and this is one of the oldest and most prestigious colleges of Delhi University. College is affiliated to Delhi University, but still it has its own you can say set of rules. Means they follow certain terms which are set by themselves only. So this thing is what makes this college different from other colleges. So now let us know about the various factors, various things on which we will review this college. First of all, let us talk about the infrastructure of this college. So as I have told you that this college is the oldest and the most prestigious college of Delhi University. So the infrastructure is obviously very old, right? So when you go to the college, don't get shocked कि such an old college. Don't go by that thing. Otherwise, although it is very old, but the building is well maintained and fully air conditioned rooms are there, and these ACs are still working. So don't worry, ACs air conditioners are still working over there, and the building is so great. It is you can say very old, but the lawns and their greenery, they are well maintained. You can spend a lot of time in those lush green lawns of the college. Otherwise, classrooms are also fine. Only some problem is there in the sanitation of washrooms. So be prepared for that thing. You may face problem over there. So as far as the campus life of St. Stephen's is concerned, this is also going to be very great. Means if you get admission, if luckily you get admission in this college, definitely you are going to have a great experience of your life. because in the campus when you will go there, it's nothing like that. Means you must be getting apprehensive कि Saint Stephen's है, पता नहीं क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, कैसे students होंगे, कैसे teachers होंगे, this and that. But I think you should remove all these doubts. When you will go to the college, everything is quite student friendly. You will be asked to participate in so many extracurricular activities, and there are many societies. You can participate in any of those societies. Community service is one of the basic things that is compulsory for all the students over there. So actually in this campus life, your seniors will also be very friendly, very cooperative. They are not like कि बहुत hi-fi है, बहुत something like that. Nothing like that. All normal, right? So no need to worry about these things. And one more thing I want to tell you here, that discipline in campus life is also one of the things that is most required in Saint Stephen's. So if you are going to get admission in Saint Stephen's, don't think कि बहुत freedom मिलेगी but एक limit तक. Means you will have to be disciplined over there. That is another thing that you should know. So now let us talk about the faculty and academics of this college. So as far as the faculty of this college is concerned, that is world class. Means the teachers or the professors or the lecturers in this college, they are so experienced, they are so qualified that you will be mesmerized by their knowledge and their way of teaching. Like many of them have been qualified by world class universities. Even some foreigners are also working as professors in this university, in this college. So you will get a chance to interact with them also. Their way of teaching is very good, very friendly and high standard, right? You will come to know the difference definitely between your school teachers and the teachers of your college. And one more thing is there, because these teachers are well qualified, they are highly experienced, so their expectations from the students are also very high. So if you are going to enter this institution named as Saint Stephen's, be prepared to work very hard. Don't think that everything will be taken for granted कि पूरा मजा करेंगे, मस्ती करेंगे and that's it. No, you will have to be disciplined. You will have to come up to the expectations of your teachers also. And as far as academics are concerned, everything is top notch. There is no problem. There is no, I can say, drawback in the academic side of Saint Stephen's. So you can now let us talk about the fee structure. So fee structure of this college is also value for money. Means because this is a government college, this is affiliated to Delhi University, so obviously the fee is not that much high. It's bit higher than other colleges, bit higher, but that is definitely value for money. The exposure you will be given here, the facilities you will be given here, and everything is very good. So no need to worry about the fee and all. Like whatever amount you have to pay for that will be definitely worth it. So no negative marking for fee structure. Now let us talk about the most important thing which you all must be waiting for, that is placements. Yes, so placements of Saint Stephen's are also very good. Means they have their in-campus placement cell itself, and you have to enroll over there. They make it sure that all the students, those who are passing out from Saint Stephen's, they get good jobs, and mostly in economics and mathematics, very good placements are there. Means world-class companies come there to hire the students of Saint Stephen's, I can say. So everything is fine over there. So placement also no problem. But again I can tell you one thing, as I keep on telling you in all my videos, that only the college tag does not matter. It is not the only thing that will provide you placements. You should have an X factor, have confidence. You should have a good personality. By personality, I don't mean that you should be good looking. You should know how to carry yourself. You should know how to present yourself. Then job will be yours, right? So keep this thing in also mind. only college tag is not going to provide you jobs. It can help you. It will help you, but it will not provide you complete. We have talked about all the positive or good things about St. Stephen's. So now I'm going to talk about two negative things which I find they should be referred to here, which I find are very important and they should be paid attention to. So the first negative thing about St. Stephen's is that it does not provide commerce stream courses. Means if somebody wants to get admission in St. Stephen's but you are from commerce stream, there are no courses for you. Only economics, only eco honors is provided, so you can go for that whether you are from art stream or whether you are from commerce stream. Otherwise, accounts and business studies and all these are not there. And another negative thing about St. Stephen's is its rigorous admission process. Means the admission process is so difficult. It is very difficult to go to the St. Stephen's. The cutoffs are so high. The standards to admit the children are raised so much high that generally students get confused. Means first their cutoff will be so high, then they will have that aptitude test. This year it will not be there. Then interview is also a very important factor. Here I want to tell you one more thing, that St. Stephen's is a college where extracurricular activities are not provided any quota or anything. Means in your form you will not be provided any weightage because of your extracurricular activities, but at the time of interview they may be considered. So interview is also very important. So you should know all these things before going for this college. But one more thing, that all these things you can consider provided that you are given admission in this college. So if you are getting admission in St. Stephen's, without thinking much, you should go for it. If you are from humanities or science stream, you should go for this college because this is the ultimate college. Everything means most of the things are positive here. I think I have provided you enough information about this college, St. Stephen's. If you want me to provide you honest reviews of other colleges of Delhi University or IP University also, do tell me in the comment box. I'll try to make videos on those also. So thank you everybody. Again a reminder, if still you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it fast, because every day I'm bringing videos for all of you and I'm providing you complete guidance also. Thank you.